A very good morning to students of standard 7th. Today in this lecture we will complete our activity number 4 that was remaining in previous lecture about the advertisement. But before that we will see or we will just revise our chapter, that is unit number 3, that is exploring advertisement. एक्सप्लोर का मतलब मैंने बहुत कुछ समझाया है इन प्रीवियस 3 to 4 lectures, and we have discussed about all the advertisement that we are seeing in our day-to-day life in the social medias and TV platforms and digital platforms, okay, and how that advertisement is affecting to our mind, our body, and how they are attracting the people or a children or a women or a man towards their product. So according to me, all these things are very false. We can say we are the buyers, so we should always think about the product that is shown in the advertisement, whether to buy it or not. That depends on us to buy or not. Okay, students? It is not necessary to buy the things that is shown in the advertisement. I have given the example of a groundnut oil. If you want to buy a groundnut oil, pure groundnut oil containing all the minerals or vitamins in it or the fat in it, then that groundnut oil will be available in the village only. If you will buy from the market, then that groundnut oil may not contain all the things which is contained in a village groundnut oil that you are buying from the village groundnut oil. So the last message of this chapter is that you should be the boss of your own. Company should not rule on your mind. You should be mature enough to buy the things which is liked by you, not by the company. Okay, students? So this was our good, or I am thinking that this is the best chapter, or this is the good or the best unit that you should understand in your life. You will understand all these things after a 20 to 23 years when you will pass out from this era about your childhood. Then you will understand about all this brand and all these companies, that how they are just capturing the minds of the people or the children. But they are giving this chapter in 7th standard. So from here only you should know the benefits, or we can say merits and demerits of the advertisement. And you are the buyer, so you should be independent. You should be independent, that you should be independent to buy anything from the market, not to buy the things that is shown in the advertisement. Okay, students? And in activity number 4 we have seen the advertisement of a Srikhand, Amul Srikhand, and they have asked us a few questions about it. Now below that, in activity number 4, below that they have given one paragraph that you have to complete by yourself. Means they have asked us to complete it. Okay, what is that? We will see here. Classmates will have different opinions about question number 4. How many classmates think that the advertisement worked well for the advertiser? In other words, they would want to buy the product. How many think that the advertisement did not work, or they would not want to buy the product or idea? Okay. Now you have to think whether this product is sold heavily in the market or not, or some of the people are thinking that this product have not gained their goal in the market. So there are two types of view that you get from your friends or a family or a neighborhood friends or anywhere. Okay. Now use the paragraph below to help you write about this activity. Okay. Now there is an activity that is given and you have to complete that paragraph according to the advertisement that is shown in activity number 4. That is activity about Amul Srikhand. Okay. Now in my class we looked at an advertisement for Amul Srikhand. Okay, which advertisement it is shown? It is shown about the Amul Srikhand. In first blank what will come? Amul Srikhand. Okay, this is the first blank of the paragraph in first sentence. Now second sentence, it was created and paid for by. तो जो कोई कंपनी अपनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट बाहर निकालता है तो वो कौन पे करता है वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए? तो वो खुद कंपनी। तो यहाँ पे कौन सी कंपनी है हमारी? तो क्या अमूल डेयरी है। तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा? अमूल डेयरी विल पे फॉर द एडवर्टाइजमेंट। दूसरी ब्लैंक है वो पैराग्राफ में, तो उसका आंसर क्या आएगा? अमूल डेयरी। नाउ इट इज ट्राइंग टू परसुएड dash to dash. They have given two blanks, that is it is trying to persuade people. Persuade means to motive. Okay, पहली ब्लैंक में क्या आएगा? people, एंड दूसरी ब्लैंक में क्या आएगा? persuade people to buy a Amul Srikhand. Amul Srikhand. Now third blank, sorry, fourth one, this is third one, now fourth one. Okay, in fourth one, my classmate had different opinions of the effectiveness of this advertisement. Dash classmate thought the advertisement worked. So in my classmate, so in the class, my classmate thought that this advertisement have worked very well in the market. So how many students are there? There are most of all the students are saying that of my class, most of the students are saying that this advertisement had worked very well. So most of the student, this is the fourth blank. Fifth one, they would want to buy a Srikhand or a milk product, Amul Srikhand, or you can write a milk product because Amul are preparing all the things from the milk. So from this you can write any of one in the blank. And now dash classmate thought the advertisement did not work. So very few students are thinking that this advertisement didn't get fame in the market. Okay, they would not want to buy the milk product. They would not want to buy seventh one, milk product. Milk product means this Srikhand only. Okay, milk product. I think the product is so popular that every person buys Amul Srikhand. I think लास्ट में क्या आएगा? एक सेंटेंस आएगा, यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग. ओके, आई थिंक दैट अमूल is famous for its product, so I think that every people will buy this product. Okay, like that you can frame any sentence in the last and write good message about the Amul dairy. Okay, and in activity number 5 they have given one advertisement of the trees. Okay, in that you have to again give some answers to the question that is asked according to the advertisement that is shown in your textbook. Okay, I think this advertisement is of the saving the trees. Okay, of saving the trees. How you can save the trees, or how you can use the trees in a better way, or how you will reduce the use of the trees. Okay, they are showing this in the advertisement on the page number 25, activity number 4. Now, discuss the question as a class, listen to the answer of your classmate. Okay, now they have given one advertisement of the trees are drawn here, save paper, save trees, save the world. So from this we can say that this advertisement is of saving the trees, saving the environment. Okay, because whenever you will save the trees will also save us, and the world is also saved. Okay, so first thing is that you should always give respect to the nature, you should always save the nature, and nature will always save you. Okay, so this advertisement shows us about the saving the trees, and they have asked a few questions about it. Okay, now who paid for this advertisement? Now this advertisement may be given by a government of Gujarat or government of our India or any other government. Okay, because सेव ट्रीज वाला कोई ऐसा नहीं है, कोई ऐसी ब्रांड नहीं है जो ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट हमें दिखाती है सेव ट्रीज के। ऐसी कोई प्राइवेट और सेल्फ फाइनेंस कंपनी नहीं है जो ये एडवर्टाइज हमें दिखाता है। तो ये किसका काम होगा? ये गवर्नमेंट का काम होगा। और गवर्नमेंट के अंदर कौन ये ट्रीज़ के बारे में जानकारी लेता है और कौन ये सब ट्रीज़ की एडवर्टाइजमेंट पब्लिश करता है? यहाँ पे ट्रीज़ इसलिए आपको दिया है क्योंकि वो नेचर से जुड़ा है। तो गवर्नमेंट में कौन से पर्सन है जो इस नेचर से जुड़े हुए हैं? तो हम कह सकते हैं कि एक तो फॉरेस्ट वाले होते हैं, क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट वाले हमेशा वो फॉरेस्ट की रक्षा करते हैं और दे आर नॉट अलाउिंग अदर पीपल्स टू एंटर इन द फॉरेस्ट टू कट द ट्रीज। एंड सेकेंड वन इज एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। ओके, एंड एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ दिस गवर्नमेंट always look after the environment. Okay, how much temperature is increased in the summer, how much rainfall is there, this is all comes under the environment department of government. Okay, so ये जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट निकालने वाला होगा वो कौन होगा? एक तो फॉरेस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट एंड द एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। सो हमारा पहला आंसर क्या होगा? फॉरेस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट एंड सेकेंड वन इज एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट। एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गुजरात और यू कैन से ऑफ गवर्नमेंट। नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन दे हैव आस्क्ड इज अबाउट व्हाट इज द गोल ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट? व्हाट इज द गोल ऑफ दिस एडवर्टाइजर? इसका गोल क्या है? ये जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट हमें दिखाई देती है सेव ट्रीज वाले, तो उसका गोल क्या है? हमें क्यों वो ये सब कुछ एडवर्टाइजमेंट हमें दिखाई देते हैं? क्योंकि उसका गोल ऐसा है कि हम कम से कम ट्रीज को काटें, और अगर हम काटते हैं तो उसका रीयूज करेंगे। वो हमें ये सब जो पेड़ है तो उसे बचाने के लिए हमें ये सब एडवर्टाइजमेंट हमें देते हैं। तो यू कैन राइट देयर व्हाट इज द गोल ऑफ दिस एडवर्टाइजर डिपार्ट? टू सेव द ट्रीज, टू सेव द ट्रीज। To save the trees, or you can write to save the environment. Okay, now third one, to whom is this advertisement trying to persuade? तो ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट किसको मोटिव करता है? तो कि जनरल पीपल, मीन्स ऑल द पीपल, ओके, हु आर सीइंग दिस एडवर्टाइजमेंट। नाउ फोर्थ वन, डू यू थिंक दैट द एडवर्टाइजर अचीव द गोल? यस। How they are achieving their goal? By giving this advertisement of saving trees, that today's people and children, or we can say all the humans, are aware about the trees and the importance of the environment. If the people are cutting all the trees, then we are also facing many problems by unbalancing the environment. If you will cut many trees or more trees, then you can see the effect on us. Today we are seeing that there is a scarcity in rainfall. Okay, the rainfall is unregular, or monsoon season is unregular, winter season is unregular, and the summer season is also unregular. If you will cut more and more trees, there will be no rainfall. Okay, if you take an example of Kutch and Bhuj, there is not much trees, only desert is there. That's why there is no rainfall. Okay, so there are demerits of the cutting trees. If you will cut the trees, then we are seeing the problems that we are facing nowadays. So by giving this advertisement, all the people will understand about the trees or the importance of the trees and not to cut these trees. Okay, so we can say that this government is achieving their goal in some of the amount. Now classmates will have different opinions about question number 4. How many classmates think that the advertisement worked well for the advertiser? In other words, they would agree with the idea of the ad. How many classmates think that the advertisement did not work, or they would not agree with the idea? So there are two opinions in your class. Some people or some students are saying that they have achieved their goal, that most of the people are taking care of the trees, they are growing more trees, and some students will say no, because if they are growing trees, then other part, there are some people who are cutting the trees for their livelihood. They are destroying forest because they want to plant, or they want to get the land for agriculture use. So you can discuss in the group or at your home also with your parents, so you will get the knowledge about it. Okay, now they have given one paragraph with the blanks. Okay, you have to complete it by filling the blanks. Okay, now use the paragraph below to help you write about this activity. Okay, that we have done in activity number 4. Like that only you have to do in this activity number 5. Okay, in my class we looked at the advertisement for saving trees. हमने कौन सी एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखी, हमें बुक में हमने कौन सी एडवर्टाइजमेंट दी है, तो क्या सेविंग ट्रीज की, तो पहली ब्लैंक में क्या आएगा, सेव ट्रीज. फिर दूसरा, इट वॉज क्रिएटेड एंड पेड फॉर बाय द फॉरेस्ट्री एंड एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. Okay, now third one, it is trying to persuade people. It is trying to persuade whom they are trying to persuade. They are trying to persuade to the people, persuade people not to, ये पहली ब्लैंक है, not to waste paper and save tree. Not to waste paper and save trees, because we know that the paper is made from the trees only. Okay, the bark of the tree is used to make the paper. So it is necessary to cut the tree, because if you want to make a paper of a notebook, then it is made up from the barks of the trees. So it is necessary to cut the trees. So this advertisement shows us that to not to cut the trees and use the paper of your notebook or use the notebook twice or thrice. If it is incomplete, then complete fully. Do not waste the pages of your notebook. Okay, like that you can save the trees. Now, fourth one. My classmates had different opinions of the effectiveness of this advertisement. Most of the classmates thought the advertisement worked. They would agree with the idea that we should use paper wisely. We should use the paper wisely. Use the paper wisely. Okay. Sixth one. Very few classmates are thinking that this advertisement didn't work very well in the market. And seventh one is they would not agree that dash, and I think those who think in the direction they are not aware of the nature. Okay, in last you can write a sentence that who are thinking that this advertisement is not good or it does not show any benefit, then those who think in this direction they are not aware of the nature. कि कोई ऐसा बच्चा है क्लास में कि वो ऐसा सोचता है कि दिस एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज़ नॉट यूजफुल इन आवर डेली लाइफ, तो वो बच्चा और अपना क्लासमेट उसे ये एनवायरनमेंट के अवेयरनेस के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, ऐसे सोचने वाले भी होते हैं हमारे क्लासमेट में. तो हमें भी उसको समझाना पड़ता है कि नहीं ये गलत है, तेरी जो सोच है वो गलत है, क्योंकि नेचर ही सब कुछ है. अगर नेचर है तो हम है. नेचर में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है कि सब कुछ नेचर में ही इंक्लूड होता है. वाटर, एयर, then trees, all the things are included in the nature only. If we will not protect the nature will not protect us. So this was the activity number 5, and in previous lecture we have seen the activity number 4. Like that only, this is activity number 5, and you can also make the advertisement at your home also about anything, about the nature or any park, or if your papa is doing any business, then you can make the advertisement of your papa's business also. Okay, making an advertisement is not bad, but giving that advertisement to the people and saying them to buy only these things or only that things, that is not good. Okay students, so you can write your own advertisement about anything having a good information in it. Okay students, so this is the activity number 5 that we have completed till now, and rest of the activities will be completed in the next lecture. Till that, thank you and have a good day. You should write this activity in your textbook and notebook both. Okay, English notebook, you should write this activity number 4 and 5 in the English notebook also and in the textbooks also. Thank you students and have a good day.